Welcome to today's video, where we explore how onions, the world's second most widely consumed vegetable, are grown, harvested, and processed around the globe. Every year, the world produces over 100 million metric tons of onions, feeding billions of people and supporting one of the most important vegetable industries on Earth. From the vast fields of India, China, and the United States, to the fertile lands of Egypt, Turkey, and the Netherlands, onion farming is a story of scale, innovation, and adaptation to different climates. In this video, we will show you the journey, from tiny seeds in nurseries to modern harvest machines, and finally to the processing plants where onions are transformed into flakes, powders, and ingredients for kitchens worldwide. The journey of an onion begins with carefully selected seeds. Farmers across continents choose hybrid varieties bred for high yield, strong disease resistance, and storage life that matches their local conditions. Long-day onions thrive in northern latitudes such as parts of Europe, Russia, and North America, while intermediate and short-day types dominate warmer regions like India, Egypt, and Mexico. Seeds are sown in nurseries or directly in the field depending on climate, technology, and labor availability. In nurseries, young plants grow for about 6 to 8 weeks under controlled conditions with proper irrigation and nutrition, developing strong roots and 2 to 3 leaves before transplanting. Before planting, the land undergoes careful preparation. Across major producing countries, laser leveling is widely used to create smooth, well-drained fields. Raised beds and plastic mulch are common in arid and semi-arid zones, from western China to northern India and parts of the United States. Beneath the mulch, drip irrigation lines deliver water directly to the root zone, reducing evaporation, controlling weeds, and ensuring even growth. Fertilizer programs are tailored to local soils, but often include nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for root strength, and potassium for bulb firmness. Sulfur, when added, helps develop pungency and aroma, which is valued in many cuisines. When planting time arrives, growers either transplant nursery seedlings or sow seeds directly. Transplanting is popular where early market windows bring higher prices, while direct seeding is preferred on large mechanized farms where labor is scarce. Plant density depends on the market. Onions destined for dehydration and processing are planted closer together, producing smaller bulbs, while fresh market onions are spaced wider for larger uniform bulbs. Water management is one of the keys to global onion farming. In many regions, modern drip irrigation has replaced traditional flood methods. It conserves water, reduces disease risk, and improves yield. Farmers in countries like Israel, the US, and parts of Asia use soil moisture sensors and weather-based irrigation scheduling to optimize each drop. As the plants grow, they receive regular nutrient applications through fertigation, and integrated pest management strategies keep thrips, downy mildew, and other diseases under control, using a mix of resistant varieties, biological agents, and carefully timed sprays. Onions are highly sensitive to day length, and as the season progresses, they enter their bulbing stage, when the daylight hours match their genetic requirement. At this moment, the leaves they have built earlier become the foundation of the bulb. Each healthy leaf adds a scale to the onion. Farmers around the world aim to maximize healthy foliage before bulbing begins, as this determines final size and yield. When the plants mature, their green tops naturally fall over, signaling the right time for harvest. Depending on the country and the scale of production, harvesting can be done by hand, by semi-mechanical lifters, or by fully mechanized harvesters. Machines undercut the bulbs, lift them gently, shake off the soil, and lay them into windrows for drying. In some regions like Europe and North America, large self-propelled harvesters handle hundreds of tons per day, while in parts of Africa and Asia, manual labor still plays a major role. Curing is a crucial step in preserving onion quality. Around the world, onions are cured either in the field using natural sunlight or in controlled curing sheds where warm air circulates to dry the outer skins and seal the neck. Proper curing allows onions to be stored for months and shipped across long distances without spoilage. After curing, they are collected, transported, and processed in packing facilities where they are cleaned, sorted by size, graded for quality, and packed into mesh bags or crates that allow airflow. Not all onions go directly to the fresh market. A large share is sent to processing plants in countries such as India, the United States, and China, where they are washed, peeled, sliced, and dried. Industrial dryers turn these onions into flakes, granules, and powders that are used in instant noodles, sauces, snacks, frozen meals, and seasonings found in kitchens everywhere. These plants follow strict hygiene standards and use controlled drying systems, metal detectors, and quality testing to ensure the final product meets international food safety requirements. Global onion production benefits from regional diversity. India and China produce massive quantities for both domestic consumption and export. The Netherlands and Spain are major exporters to Europe and beyond. Egypt supplies large volumes to the Middle East, while Mexico plays a key role in North American markets. This network of production ensures that onions are available year-round, with harvests from different latitudes filling in seasonal gaps and stabilizing global prices. Modern technology is reshaping onion farming everywhere. Drones, satellite imaging, and remote sensing help farmers monitor crop health and detect problems early. Automated irrigation and fertigation systems save water and nutrients. Weather-based decision tools reduce disease risk, and improved storage facilities extend shelf life. These innovations are critical as the global population grows and climate challenges become more pressing. From tiny seeds in a nursery to golden bulbs stacked in warehouses, from small family farms in Africa to high-tech operations in the United States and Europe, the onion's journey is one of remarkable scale and coordination. It is a crop that connects rural fields to urban kitchens, local markets to international trade, and traditional farming knowledge to cutting-edge technology. Thank you for watching this global documentary on how onions are grown, harvested, and processed around the world. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth stories from the world of agriculture. Comment below to tell us which crop or farming process you'd like us to explore next. Stay tuned for more fascinating food stories from around the globe.